go. Squad up, never roll alone. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together. Pull up right in your zone. Take over the street, that's how we roll. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together. Fancy when I drive, 6 cars in the driveway, cash in the driver door, spinning through it my way. Shit like a matador, fresh out the catalog. One fall, we all fall crew like dominoes. Paper chase dominoes, saw my dogs ride and smoke mob heavy like the Pope. Where that pot of gold, we are not alone. Boy, better check your tone, you gon' need a lot of help. I ain't fucking bank loans. Sit with us, table last supper, toast to the brothers, some bad moms. Yeah, ain't nothing but pure luxury. You looking left to me, should be looking up to me. Preferably one of the best. She ride cause we next down with forever to death. Be loyal and respect, stay ahead of the rest. We just sit back, relax, doing things to impress. The only way we know to go. Squad up, never roll alone. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together. Pull up right in your zone. Take over the street, that's how we roll. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together. I know time to waste. Ain't no way these niggas stopping me. Oh no, flying from a mile away. It's not a problem, only real ones follow. Hey look, and I can do this with my eyes closed. Blindfold, 2 times over. Ride solo, I got women and got soldiers. I ain't tripping, try to get it, your night sober. Talking no melatonin, get it and fight coma. With the speed of a giant, speed and fire. Just to read it, be listening, see when it's flying. Don't believe it, they try it, we don't believe it, just trying. I call the people to leave them 100 pieces divided, that's cold blood. And I relive no life for something. And I ain't really going for it, you say, what she say, keep it you for peace sake. I know this that on you pick my lead, you and keep it. It's the only way we know to go. Squad up, never roll alone. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together. Pull up right in your zone. Take over the street, that's how we roll. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together. Issue with all the burglarizing in the violence. Jimmy got caught up, but you was right there with him. So the police asked you questions, you gon' keep quiet. Is you loyal, is you real, is you fake? When I can't tell, that's the type of way that I hate. You got that fake friend syndrome, and it's no cure, so your symptoms is gon' show. You know the code. Stick around, hold it down, never fold. Like it's a crease in your Dickie brand. Hold up, each one teach one. Motivate each one to be some. I ain't just another statistic. I do this, and that. If you wanna get specific, I'm just trying to make my day go quick. For me and my day one, hit it right now.
Dari kan.